Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Brandwatch AI to monitor competitors and trends, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Brandwatch account. Navigate to the projects section in the main dashboard. Select the project where you want to enable AI features. Click on the settings tab within your project. Scroll down to find the AI features section. Toggle the switch to enable Brandwatch AI. Once activated, you can select specific competitors to monitor. Click on Competitors in the left sidebar. Enter the names of your competitors in the search bar. Review the suggested matches and select the relevant competitors. After selecting competitors, confirm your choices. Next, navigate to the Trends section. Set up your preferred keywords to track industry trends. Input relevant topics and phrases that are significant to your market. Adjust the date range for your trend analysis. Save your changes to ensure that your selections are recorded. Monitor the dashboard for real-time updates on competitors and trends. Utilize the AI insights to gain a deeper understanding of the data. Analyze the results to inform your marketing strategy. Regularly revisit your settings to refine your monitoring preferences as needed. Leverage the insights to stay ahead in your industry. Continue to explore additional features that Brandwatch AI offers for deeper analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.